Today we'll explore effective strategies for breaking bad habits and replacing them with positive ones. Habits play a significant role in our lives, shaping our actions and ultimately determining our success and happiness. By understanding how habits work and implementing the right strategies, you can transform your life for the better. Identify and understand your bad habits. The first step in breaking bad habits is to identify and understand them. Take some time to reflect on your daily routines and behaviors. What habits are holding you back? Are you spending too much time on social media, procrastinating, or indulging in unhealthy eating habits? Once you've identified your bad habits, analyze the triggers and rewards associated with them. This understanding will help you develop effective strategies for change. Set clear and specific goals. To replace bad habits with positive ones, it's crucial to set clear and specific goals. Define what you want to achieve and why it matters to you. For example, if you want to quit smoking, your goal could be to improve your overall health and increase your lifespan. Setting specific goals provides you with a sense of direction and motivation. Break it down into smaller steps. Breaking a bad habit can be overwhelming, but breaking it down into smaller steps makes the process more manageable. Create a step-by-step plan that gradually reduces your engagement in the bad habit while introducing positive alternatives. For instance, if you want to reduce your screen time, start by setting specific time limits and gradually decrease them over time. Replace with positive alternatives. Breaking a bad habit becomes easier when you replace it with a positive alternative. Identify activities or habits that align with your goals and bring you joy or fulfillment. For example, if you're trying to cut down on junk food, replace it with healthier snacks like fruits or nuts. By replacing the negative behavior with a positive one, you'll create a healthier and more fulfilling lifestyle. Utilize habit stacking. Habit stacking is a powerful technique that involves attaching a new habit to an existing one. Identify a positive habit you already have and link it to the habit you want to develop. For instance, if you want to start reading more, you can stack it with your morning coffee routine. By consistently pairing the new habit with an existing one, you'll increase the chances of it sticking. Practice mindfulness and self-awareness. Developing mindfulness and self-awareness is essential for breaking bad habits. Pay attention to your thoughts, emotions, and triggers that lead to the unwanted behavior. When you become aware of these patterns, you can consciously choose to respond differently. Mindfulness techniques like meditation or journaling can help you cultivate self-awareness and make positive changes. Seek support and accountability. Breaking bad habits can be challenging, but seeking support and accountability can significantly increase your chances of success. Share your goals with a trusted friend, family member, or join a support group. Having someone to hold you accountable and provide encouragement during difficult times can make a world of difference. Create a supportive environment. Your environment plays a significant role in shaping your habits. Take a look at your surroundings and make changes that support your efforts to break bad habits. For example, if you're trying to reduce your alcohol consumption, remove any alcohol from your home and surround yourself with non-alcoholic alternatives. Creating a supportive environment will make it easier to stick to your positive habits. Practice self-reflection and learn from relapses. Breaking bad habits is not always a linear process, and setbacks may occur. When you experience a relapse, it's essential to practice self-reflection and learn from the experience. Identify the triggers or situations that led to the relapse and develop strategies to avoid or handle them better in the future. Remember, setbacks are a part of the journey, and learning from them will make you stronger. Celebrate small victories. Breaking bad habits and incorporating positive ones is a journey that requires perseverance. Celebrate your small victories along the way to stay motivated. Acknowledge and reward yourself for each milestone you achieve, whether it's going a week without engaging in the bad habit or consistently practicing the positive habit for a certain period. Celebrating your progress will keep you motivated and reinforce your commitment to change. Practice patience and persistence. Breaking bad habits and replacing them with positive ones takes time and effort. It's important to practice patience and persistence throughout the process. Understand that change doesn't happen overnight and that setbacks are a natural part of the journey. Stay committed to your goals, even when progress seems slow, and trust that your efforts will pay off in the long run. Continuously educate yourself. Knowledge is power when it comes to breaking bad habits. Continuously educate yourself about the negative effects of your bad habits and the benefits of positive ones. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch videos that provide insights and strategies for habit change. The more you understand the science behind habits and the impact they have on your life, the better equipped you'll be to make lasting changes. Conclusion: incorporating these strategies into your life will empower you to break bad habits and replace them with positive ones. Remember, change takes time and effort, so be patient and kind to yourself throughout the process. You'll be well on your way to embracing positive habits and living a more fulfilling life. Good luck with your journey.